President Emmerson Mnangagwa has reportedly turned his back on several ZANU-PF-affiliated groups that played a major role in mobilizing support for his re-election campaign during the 2023 harmonized elections. Sanavena Mashoko, Arura Pangwa Inachin's Ayo Mnangagwa teaches ZANU-PF affiliates. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida Mnamobranyo Komchinze. The affiliates, including teachers for ED, Mawindi for ED, doctors for ED, and nurses for ED, young women for ED, and hairdressers for ED, were formed under the ED banner to rally different professional and social groups behind Mnangagwa's candidacy. However, the ruling party now appears to be shifting its strategy with indications that many of these groups will no longer be recognized as official affiliates of ZANU-PF in courts. New requirements for all affiliates, including old ones, as the ZANU-PF party discovered that affiliates Hanavano read a post on the ZANU-PF aligned operational restore riggers page on Wednesday. The statement suggests that many of the group existed only on paper and had no meaningful grassroots structures or membership. To me, I guess it's wise to close all silly affiliates and be left with proper affiliates like Zikoso, Ziliwako, and CZLWVA, the post added, referring to more established bodies such as Zimbabwe Congress of Students Union, the Zimbabwe Liberation War Collaborators, and the Zimbabwe Union Liberation War Veterans Association. Others must join the Youth League and Women's League, the post further advised, signaling consolidation of support structures within the party's traditional wings. This move is likely to be seen as a betrayal by some of the grassroots campaigners who invested time and resources in promoting Mnangagwa's campaign under for ED banner. Thomas Parkuda Pangwa Inoy, John Cons Awa, ZANU-PF Pangwa Inoy, Yora Siravan, Pangwa Inoy, it has dished my supporters ayo, ma for ED supporters. Imbutu zema funguro elimnot kudi Pangwa Inoy, Iowa, Nevano, Vaitemba, Iowa, support wachi rely on the ZANU-PF. Kuna comment section menu zema funguro elimnot kudi Pangwa Pechit ko each. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.